Okay. Hey, baby, say hi. Okay. Yeah, you have to go and sit down, okay? Okay. 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 What are you chewing? Okay. And I see you all still standing. Listen, look around and you find the very face of God. He's walking down into the stands. He's walking down to. Okay, baby, go. It's time. Go. Bye. Okay. Okay. Mechechia. Ahwefo nyina na ene topic na yetu fraud, small fraud side and Bible side. Now the me did kind no a quick one. Me did kind a quick one. Me who say fraud mobile money fraud cost pa. Now banking sector no me who say eba fam me I'm not a banker, but I think say everyone, you should have idea about cybercrime, cyber security. Now, mobile operators, they know the solution. I have fraud above them, but they won't do it because they are here because of business. The telco operators, the mobile operators, or omunim okoya ebe faso fraud, crime. The first thing mobile or United finance minister and I think Bank of Ghana say finance minister Bank of Ghana I did say say passing law bia mobile banking no say unkuta ID card untimi take it 200 going. You can withdraw 200 cedis and above if you don't have ID card. This is what finance minister and the Bank of Ghana mobile operators nim say adie no ya ebema fraud no ebeko fam but be lose. Mobile operators say say okay me ye Kweku network say introduce law be say Uber be 200 going na untimi without ID card. Fraud ebeba fam be minimize fraud crime of fraud ebeba fam. But some yanso a esan say ID card no presentation no enye flow ema omunti no mobile operators no don't care but mini business to get more money. They are here to do business. Enti say wo no ye be dupe you ye be we are usika wo phones no they don't care. Na say we are usika wo phones so a emfa they can't do anything for you. Ye be okay, the network no ekoye. Ye be ka say ko na koje court order bra. Ansana ya hwe we yabon ya hwe the police report kokrompa enyeji. Na banking sector no enso ye obi say ko omu pushi ema mobile banking. It is same as banking. Ukwa ko yisika say we introduce ID card. But bankers banking field they don't care. Banking field they don't care. Say we be yisika wo me ho me merchant na we be yisika mobile money wo me ho no ma. And they say we issue ID card. And only ade abema fraud akofem. Say we be 200 cedis going ya. Now unkuta ID card it should not be down 200 1,000, 1,005. Say unkuta ID card it should not be done. I just say mobile money amount. Mr. Finance Minister, Bank of Ghana, bankers banking field na egu no mobile money no egu banking field no. I now say the president now you say where you say mobile money business no egu banking system. Bankers net tiwo and I will make banker because ID card. More accept it. You don't want to push. Say obi koye mobile money 1,000, 2,000, 200 cedis. Or issue ID card. Mobile operator no ono a businessman. Eti onim say solution we say ba. I don't like mentioning their names. obi any mobile money companies mobile companies I want Ghana has saying or your businessman or any business or the ginisika and the sir wono uba ye be frodo anano the company doesn't care almost Ebeka said you provide security but what about me I'm illiterate no swear obi bet me frodo me no mobile operators don't care it aban no e was said yes sir wo aban a wote so no any finance minister any Bank of Ghana must said yes mobile money business no ube issue ID card okay now why as why transaction say na your bank because I know say banking system and then one am say I don't na lead no adentina obi ba be sika 1000 no ID card 200 cedis no ID card nothing they don't issue ID card and I have fraud nipa because any part that work Ghana say no fraud system no omo ye low how to just understand the concept of fraud because say okay say apply social engineering our Ghana has say ya victims have been no too much because education no can first started from basic level it is like abaya or was cyber crime cyber security cyber crime it is like o introduce you ade ebema akofem no basic level no from primary obey introduce cyber security ya nye enti ufa Ghana for be say me research bi ufa Ghana for be say 10 emu 2 cyber security ko mo nti ase emu be 8 anti cyber security ase cyber crime but for be no cyber security e dey ben and so emu ko na educated as na oni idea bia aban no asade dey say ko be introduce as a course to teach cyber security and you say the computer na be see one market now this is monitor this is then keep pad or keyboard this is USB port this is this I know it doesn't mean who as one for so bia I say any panel send your betimi live online safely na I don't know or they are protecting home as safeguarding the system the devices bankers not all the banks are Ghana majuma no kofem bank no kofem and I'm mo aban so bo and I say me no I'm not in the government I will speak for them and your responsibility say almost be yani ati say omoye because aban and the responsibility say Bank of Ghana say ubeka say ukokoyi mobile money sika ube issue ID card I don't know why this is not going on now oh yeah and then ya jiboyi fraud a crime officer ko aban for you do pom police station correct because education e was cyber security e was fam ukoka obi entie you won't get someone that will listen to you say who issue ID card na je key system no ma obi sika wa wiana ya be chew say me mobile money me be mobile money Friday lady no ye ma me no o ye ma me no me office no frame say me mbra me buy no or say the network wasn't good the lady o ye adwan ma me no and na oyi sim card ni free phone no sim card da yira o container num ohun o frɛ me mobile company na o me say sika na nyina obi ayi sika no the lady said na oyi sim card no so the year den obi ayi sika why the koko yi sika no odi pana koko yi sika no because only ID card when show ID card bia na mo de mo ti o mamu na at the time say koso a enti yem padi fo ya na omu hu ana so omu hu sika ho dwuma na ye no say me aban no I'm not expecting aban say omi adwuma me I don't need a president say aban ko bia adwuma me I don't need him me mom no I need my strength my knowledge me course na wo me trim say me bia adwuma na me moba fa obi me pa iboro no I'm not praying for the president to employ me na me no the people employer say me dey na me bia no aban no mo me ho ban I pay taxes it's the responsibility of the government to protect my business aban no the embra be ba say wo no issue ID card untimi nye mobile money aban no nye na otiko na ye bu nkofo all bofa kesiye quota kesiye finance minister adentina o ma ye issue ID card so be babaji mobile money wo menchen ya na obi ya adwuma ma wo fa obi a wutua neka a o ya adwuma ma o ti adwuma no wa frɛw o frɛ adwuma ba ya o say me yi sim card ni free phone num me hu biem sika na wo so no nyina akɔ we be come on look at it. Obi o frɛ o company na almost say o time we say hey we yi sika no o yi this amount and the nipa nam no kuta me sim card say again na the man no I can't confirm I wasn't there how it happened I wasn't there I didn't know and this thing is happening in the country and the ben yebeko yanim obi binie da ben yebeko yanim ya we na fraud way we all hwe be too so egu ase ya me hu me wo nyina computer tell me what here. The tools are here. We all can do fraud. We can do. It's very easy. Ghana had the fraud there. Obey fraud the sidan. Abai no any telco operators no mobile companies no. I want the idea say. Okay, ya dem raba say uba be sika uni ID card uti be sika no fraud ebe confirm many mobile money ebe confirm so before one uti ni ko yi ni sika unim ni pin na uti ni ko yi ni sika. These small things no omo nya da ufa me phone you know my pin you can't go and withdraw my money because you will show your ID card to where you are going to take the money. Sadia was so muti me nya any atia na MPP NDC MPP and at the papa do ho no obebi ni nya da. Make a bank ever ko yisika me issue ID card. Now I don't know obi back no be 1,000, 2,000. One person be issue ID card. And Mr. Finance Minister, Mr. Foreta, oti ho. So be ba data bank say whatever your buy honoma. Only part present ID card. Man what the emlaba. The same no. Oko deposit ye deposits our bank. That's account no. And now dia who issue ID card. Now mobile money and the business. And yes business. When you register your machine, you young school, you match them more school. What kind of country is this? Now, me, I buy Bakodipa, I could be a Juma, Alpha will be. No, only Pana or Timmy Jumono, after me, I catch them and say, me, you SIM card in the free phone. I took the SIM card away. What happened? I don't know. SIM card died out container, or John Channel, or Channel Hono, your friend company now, almost say, Sikarina, you use Sikarina, Obi. Adam, so the second amobi and oh yes kana onipano I don't know and onipano yes kana onipano ye nimno etimu ma ID card mu issue ID card am say mo ye Ghana card mu issue ID card for money withdrawal hey o man benye bankers banking field mo bank ni egu mobile money ebegu mo banking system no mo dem pa mo hwe ebegu mo nim say mo kofem mobile you know report to the buyer no you say some 100 and something billion mobile money. Omo chamo banking munya adaba 88 billion mobile banking and moto na more mobile force said this is the time mobile money for no so omo issue ID card mobile who say banking failed no mobile rise you can challenge me say bankers you know fighting for issuing ID card when you are withdrawing money or sending money mobile money failed that mobile banking failed that. Banking system will rise. We know I'm not a lawyer, but it's a common sense. We all apply knowledge. In the field of cybersecurity, we also apply knowledge at any field. You can apply any you can apply your knowledge. So our idea about cybersecurity. So bankers mo come together. Na mo say na maduma egu banking field egu. Na mo yire aban e fi na di kwen. Se obi ye mobile money or ye ofri South Africa de buy ofri America de buy on issue ID card uko yisika you issue ID card me ye kwaku makop merchant wo me ID card ni okay me take 1,000 cedis ID card na you key ID card into the system okay it is keyed fraud will be minimized when no so ya travel na ya fraud way send me be adwuma obi na memfa no na wo office na afra say bra obeba no or say sim card no we ye free phone num sika phone no sika no we ye free ato container num or say ohun container num ya hwehwe ayi hu ya frɛ ya sika no nyina akɔ why na yi sika no we don't know we no so no me am ye illiterate no me na mɛkyerɛ mu amukuta PAG no Mr. Baumua Mr. Baumua we are governor na me ba office na me I was with Ghana International Bank but the governor Mr. Atta the late Mr. Atta na me ba office the late Mr. Atta na me ba office Dr. Baumua na me ba office governor ba call for the sample oh all the governors na minimum na honom sir but to mobile money business no good banking field na go for the otu na ya bo wutiri so na ya catch me I am apolitical I don't care your mama cyber security your mama advice no na mo fa we don't care na Akufo-Addo is not feeding me Mr. Mahama is not feeding me ya be chamo ya to data na ya be ha na ya chamo security mo fa mobile money is killing banking system chat ni buy no this year no chat ni buy no banking system mo na ma he mo reduce mo ba fam mobile money are increase some banking system no aban no nya na mo push aban no say okay say unkuta ID card you can't withdraw money from mobile banking Uber who said I'm a bank in a best at say rise. Ya be kyerɛ ye kosua de ne ya betra ho wo nya obi obetie wasɛm sɛ data no so ne boarding obeto data na betra se na wo kyerɛ fraud obi antie wo but yet we will still fight because so we have fraud in Ghana the easiest thing to do fraud in Ghana you will get them because all the tools I'm surrounded by multiple computers we have the tools and the odie also the bebu nipa because usro nyame odipa no so aban no ntio nana kufo maybe free amount from nana kufo do fiche bi ben 80s oye MP na mishia no mi hu ne bi mu da be 80s but through internet we can share idea for them to listen. Mobile money business is killing banking system but when Rebecca many banker bank me knowledge but me security expert cyber security cyber crime me expert ye dupun kofo say the mobile operator no onye ready say obeboa wo ono oye businessman say o say Kwaku Telecom company me a businessman I don't mention name in the cyber security we don't mention names say me a Kwaku operator I don't care about media my security I don't know obi ko 1,000 cedis na on issue ID card mobile money phone name won kan kire me I don't know obi ko 2,000 na on issue ID card na ye yama no say offer obi phone if they are issuing ID card hey give your pin to somebody or to me or use ka yebeche no because the ID card will be keyed into the system this will minimize fraud as well obibini oh who da oh obibini black man will never have this idea the obini man say ani yebe yo mazan na uhwe obi o ye illiterate na odupi obi o okko school because only obi obi train cyber security aban introduce cyber security cyber crime from education basic level aban so onye da hey Mr. Rollins Besenkoye Mr. Kufuor Professor Mills the late Mills Mr. Mahama Nana Doaba introduce cyber security you bet me free me I don't need money to teach cyber security I don't need it make me free so when you encounter with cyber crime officers power and about the Ghana yamabo na anybody do preach on just like over social engineering kwa bo say all on simple na sometimes somebody say obre you know how to do fraud onye na obre na obi fa usika ya rough mobile man me say me bia bi girl na oyema me say we use sim card no we use sim card na fi phone num sim card no ayira e wo container num ya frame me oyin nso a o mo sika no ya sika ni nyina wo so obi kuta sim card no we 2,000 wa ha we 1,000 wa ha we 1,000 wa ha and omo catch them so when they use sika no we don't know cyber crime no e koso Ghana da bia ye beka say ye wo kwan pa ye fa so nya WhatsApp number so na afisa beko churches and sorry no na me go catch and sorry phone say asofo yi mu ma no aya omo pe abochefo aware won ye wo kwan ye fa so nya American number UK number ye di ye dan edupi ema omo dupi ma obo say asa wo ni American ni na eye we oya obeda dawa no omo send pictures bi ama no onya send picture na wawu that will be the end of your life ya beka kasa people will not listen me am metia the before no hefa the naked picture my intercept will before you sukwa no just say me fra wo ba no na me ka say me 5,000 cedis obetua because I was able to intercept that materials say obeka jo say one tua me share o ya video so why ya o de ma boyfriend video why ya o ya no so ka so or share over commit suicide and but when I get this I call them and I show they will ask you how I say how did you get this video and they will ask me that question and I will say if a corrupt person you are dead over council still Ghanaian women are sharing naked pictures you don't have to share your naked picture to your boyfriend or your husband nobody banking no egu mobile money mobile you can say mobile banking is part of it. President Mabafem was it I think last year no that survey no say mo say 99 billion ahin they say mobile 89 em say mod drop mobile money kosro say mo pushy but they make I won't get anybody to listen to me say mo pushy now because the mobile banking system no so no almost issue ID card banking no it will rise We know, it may sound silly, yes, because me banker, but I'm talking for security field because the mobile operators, onu nim say, I say, onu pona ese koka say no, me company no, me network no, uni ID card, onye den, uni sika, on kada, onim pass onka, onim say me ye kwaku networker. When you so ID card, unyi sika onka obeka say ID card ayi mo na me say mo ye Ghana card no ye Ghana card and the first thing they say mo ana so ne say efi na di kwei mobile money operators no unni ID card utimi nyi sika we no me hwese aban we be aban we onye da obeko na foforo aba ono so me ye da na say na mo di bu oman ana ye bu nkofo aye so mo ke no mama di panya boni o because fraud ye nu fraud papa ye nu apply recognizance. We can apply social engineering. We can dupe people, and we have the Bible too. What is happening is that every fraud that they say no fraud is on the Bible account. This is my Bible. I have read this Bible from Genesis to Revelation. So me the count now me knowledge I was cyber security field me count just 1 year I will build houses, but for the fear so we need now for obisika. If it be universal case, assembly nipa kan biano is already programmed. When amunya asofo no omo nkyere mo he universal case won see case wa ohun it take effect whether almost the national I will break asofo no kwara said ebi nipo dey na omo ho sere. I'm going to break the national cases and this. I'm telling you something. Universal case is a case that is key. The key into the system by God. It's irreversible. Ever take effect. Ebi ni Genesis chapter 3 or say oba ti yaw e wa wo. It's already keyed. Upa repent, you're born again 1 million times. Oh wow, obete yaw. Or say obema obe sweat. Upa hey, yeah archbishop. Why. So one bra undi is already it doesn't know believer, it doesn't know unbeliever. Yeah, fellow universal case. And the Muslim ni ba ko wa oti yaw. A Christian o Christian ni ba ko wa oti yaw. Unbeliever e ko wa oyeden oti yaw. Yeah, fellow universal case. So if you obi fraud, 7 minutes away be fraud obi. Na me found sika. And someone anybody be can or you believer is keyed. Munten ye. Onyankopon na ohwe believer no, the same God no and ohwe unbeliever. E ho na Christopher na monti ase. Onyankopon na oma enso togu believer ebro so no, oma enso togu unbeliever so. And na fa be judgment day. E ho na unbelievers be mobo. Na asase so hyper the unbelievers omonya mobo. Let the Christian say community understand this time when I was assist no unbeliever on yamabo unbeliever ye dwaden obedi de asin believer on peduma me na me ka kire wo eya munyi ni pa Bible no we teach Bible, we don't preach. Unbeliever oye dwaden no obedi de asin believer okatonso onye adwuma e was assist so na emom no ewe no na unbeliever no ho be papa no and the final judgment day. And what you now can say Monday make cartons to Friday or come back down. Believer, I say there is no God. Atheists who are or yet madeno everybody there asking what we say with the cartons for one because it's already programmed. Universal case is a case that's already God no cannot change universal case. There's one thing God cannot change universal case. Also Obama, obe sweaty. Genesis chapter 3 verse 19. Also Obama, obe sweaty. Bema bia obe sweaty bia no obedidi. A universal case. Oba obete yaw. Oba bia ode beba beda. A obanyam no. Owo obete yaw. A universal case. I don't know. Enka say uye believer. Uko 5 seconds. Won say osofo bi organ ha say. A waka say ma sorry ma. Efi na dekwe. Oba bia ko 5 seconds. Until yaw, what be that? You can't break universal case. It's not done anywhere. You cannot break universal case. What is that? Also, for me, my brain, my soul, 1 minute. No, one what be that? Only for but almost say you are a sort of four. Almost say a member, Mumana Mumedi there. South of one or Dada. I just said was sweaty. Also, for you, I will give you mobile money into your account. Also for the there, only there, oku. Also for, okay, make up bank, Akofosika, and I'm the bro, or domain oku. Also for oku, because you have course on the brain. Universal case, no. When you go on the good what you so, or see sweaty, na exhibiting course, no. course na wo trim no watch no yakopɔ atwe no ato so enti wo no wo a wo ti wo Ghana ni sɛ wo ka sɛ wo trance adwen wo nya ho adwe papa wo bɛyɛ ka ukọ apostle ko yosafo a na ka say apostle o sikitini san sikitini ba ka che onya ne say odwen ne nwa ho adwe papa enti sa odwen ho nwa ho adwe papa universal curse no e be den o say estate biebie hwe bitimi tro codes medwen ho adwe papa e counter fraud e counter hackers sa medwen ho adwe papa e na code no ba medwen ho adwe bo ne pena e shate me down e be break me system down. And you know, universal curse is a curse which does not know believer and does not know unbeliever. It works for both. But salvation, that is why I said success on earth is not in the house of church. Success as any asole them. No. As the pockets of hard work. The house of hard work is where you can obtain success. In the house of hard work, not the church. Listen to me carefully. As I say, so ye die no, I go edumaden bottom any asori them. No, the success on earth is in the house of hard working. Sweat. It's already programmed. That is why Bill Gates now oye etis no, obey one-time millionaire or say billionaire the whole world. As not also who gave Bill Gates knowledge? Code wa onyankopon nankasa aye na ontimi air reverse no wa program awie eno tena Muslim nimba ewo Christo nimba ewo unbeliever ewo na identity enka unbeliever onyaba. The blessing from universal curse is universal. The blessing from universal curse is a universal. Et obi wa on bompa yempo or say there is no God, but he will make it on earth when he follows the laws of nature. The laws of nature says work hard. It's already key because there wasn't a Christianity. Tamana yakupon ekese no. Anu ti no say banking system na ekofem no. Say bank no sorry mobile banking ebegu no. Ya beka security asema kire mo. Muntie ya beka security asema kire mo. Muntie security asema no mawie ene topic na na Bible mu no or say Deuteronomy yanto eno so mawie banking no. Eno dey say ban be fo Sabani info. Obek, hey, everybody who needs to was mobile. Go tell me that above one saying 2012 and in so say no. Because you know, na me to Facebook. Because you know, go to no say man saying nanado. Excuse me. Where like why you know? Go to no above bridge ya so new bridge ya. Mo dey am for so hwe. Go to na ba ho ma me gidi pass me engineer. But many person ensuo no afa railway line ase because say train kwani nia ene mensanifa we ya mensanifa say they will say na camera no it change onipa no opposition. The front camera always changes your position. And me left nie eya na man focus me the left na kasa no me left nie me where the ring I shall me right ring finger that bia me say me ye attention and the way pen we ekuta mensanifa. This is my right hand. Okay, so gota no enia na ensuna what you know say railway line ni a ensuna say abahum ama abayesi akaka na abuafa we no so Facebook my kan anya yi eno no cyber security no ye beto aso we me betwa mu me say aban no ni finance minister anya ready say on mobile banking you know friend say subscribers no on bebo ye ho ban a bank for mon so na mon ka aban no so mon fa aba en ka aban no so say Mr. Aban, Mr. President, Your Excellency na nado dankwa. The bank ni egu mobile banking no egu yan banking system no eti no pass the law as obi ko yisika mobile banking a obey issue ID card banking system will rise. You can challenge me where your cyber security because telecom companies no omo nim pass say ID card say obi o oni ID card ni binti no o ti ko yisika eti they will lose. I want a banking no and they say banking no they call mobile money you issue ID card. They call banker issue ID card. Why do I take my money from banking and just go to mobile? Mobile say most no mobile rice, but more rice number no we no you won't get anybody to just follow this. But as simple as make a show no banking obi yin sika e de good mobile phone so and na ya fraud them. As you know telecom companies ni fraudsters that's all my adwin because unim pass say me no me wia phone na me ko yi sika na me kuta ID card. It can be done. Me the ID card ni usika na is already keyed. Yabachime. This what a baby minimize no. Yeah, da. Obibini. Obibini pa die. I say many who say bibu nipa. Obibini. Yan for we say nsi na yanka you know. Deuteronomy chapter 22. Na Bible no. Bible no eso. Na Bible no answer na hacking beba no. Na Nyankopon any obonsam no. No omunim hacking system already. Into here Genesis chapter I think chapter 3 honoma. You say obia in your life Genesis chapter 3. The life of this world no is built upon Genesis chapter 3. Ehona Nyankopon ebo nipa Genesis chapter 1. And chapter 2 hono. Now why install program me amayen because oboy say a computer. When say we have computer, that computer is here. Now for program muzwa is nothing. And you send any party here. Then the party don't throw up. Na Nyankopon your program no. That be bisa asofo no say. I know omo bisa omo say why God did he want to install the program on us. Obo me don't throw up. Me nim hwe Adam ni Eve no. Na omo jejja ho say ebia excuse me say omo ye nothing. They didn't know anything. Why a program no? I didn't know person over install program no. I want me tiri so. And what na any part dream ma ho no? Why a program? Person over install program no. Obi e bisa say I don't hear. Yeah, secret ni nie. Onyankopon bo program no wie no. E no hu say sa me install onipa ba e say me. Obetime hu codes. Codes 1 and 0. Computer then 1 and 0. The same thing, on and off. When the on or we off. On Tiasia, and the 1 and 0 no, I work computer so. I know the way the patrim. And the patrim no, and the computer. And the nipa what drain and the computer drain no, and the bed destroy we are. Would you a nipa drain no, and the trim no. Our dear computer no. The way a combination and a network between the computer and the brain. Supercomputer no we dream no I know the best say we are say upa troto that be ye bewu ka kire o manzo if you say Nyankopon no person obey install sa program no enti Adam no want me computer Adam no want me phone Adam no want me hwe the one say ohun oba no omunim adekudi pa no mo ye na BBC hacking esi wo ho yes obi di owo se obonsam ehipa no nya key no ebie Onyankopon no encrypt aduaba no with the knowledge okay encrypt fruits with knowledge and Adam ni Eve ehu se aduaba but se me wo key na me hu se knowledge ehona ye frɛ bibi hacking start here so hacking started right from the Bible Genesis chapter 3 ehona hacking start here ade de gopon de sie no they find the cryptographer Onyankopon ana obon some crypt analysts ono no hacker udi sie no adwen ho no woye eno na o computer so yi o password ma fefe ho wo de no a wo de password sie no why encrypt no wo no oye cryptographer de oye hacker na ope wadi ubone no a oye black hacker no crypt analyst and your cryptology it has two branches cryptographer and cryptanalysis the odisi any the of akwanya nyina so na wo hu adekode no no Bible mu start here na Bible no sana Nyankopon e de tro na sem no cryptography e no de tro na sem no because na ye wo ewiwa tufo a se one follow right protocol obetimi aha penetrate empire no no hijack e be to Daniel sem ukaya Daniel Paibo etimi call heaven. Obofo no deba no one follow the right protocols or the bar in a plain text. A plain text is something that you can read. Like Bible is a plain text. We a plain text. And it's how can Bible English ma. I don't say what the Bible say. Me Bible kakake kuta me. I don't say me the Bible say. Say my kind Genesis from Genesis to Revelation. I don't just say the Bible say. Reading Bible does not make me say my kind Bible. I understand Bible. It's not because Bible no we no you are shown in a plain text. A plain text everybody can read a plain text. But what is the hidden message inside the plain text? I don't know yet asem no. Asem I think say asofo nya na say chom cryptography. Say chom cryptography. Say chom. Bible, Mako Bible School 6 months. Magiatu, Mako Bible School bikuta Bible PhD. Upa kwa Bible theology, na PhD. It does not make you say what the Bible say. And you say you have to understand the basics of cryptography. So what hacking? Asofo hacking. Asofo, say hacking. How to coding, how to programming, how to kind of simple encryption. Asofo, send buy encrypted message. Send about the encryption. No, send the Bible. No, and you know say you translate it from Hebrew language. About tree now okay kind. About where Isaiah chapter 7 verse 14 or say me kan one match ade bi or say na Ewurade na bema mo nsentrene because we the other because say the new I'm sorry because the nye or say na Ewurade na bema mo nsentrene ababa wa bi benyin obawu obabani na watulidin Emmanuel hwe tie ade de kopon ye wo ho or say Ewurade na bema mo nsentrene Isaiah chapter 7 verse 14 Ewurade no oba mo nsentrene ababa wa bi benyin sen obawu obabani na watulidin Emmanuel Isaiah ababa wa ben obenyin sen awu Emmanuel Isaiah ntiaze Isaiah ababa wa ben obawu Emmanuel Isaiah nim uma no why because say prophecy no eba say ababa won e fe no Mary obewale Joseph obewa jenkwa ewo se Bethlehem se hiahiu enka Herod ebeku Mary ansa na ya wo Jesus onyankopon ye wise enti o encrypt oba na obewo Emmanuel no na Emmanuel no se wo programmer a variable Python programming Emmanuel ye variable enti no Emmanuel is equal to onyankopon ne yen wo ho ya encrypting no the Bible na pure encryption or say many take person and sat be about Babylon ho war no na dan ho no o hina yasafo no o mantiman chase no o ye sorceress o ye magician no o ma be papa e bi na wo Moses mna so na o de about for na wadane owo no o hin no yasafo o mantiman chase a key the knowledge the concept was given to Daniel and Daniel was able to decrypt the writing on the wall. And if an encryption, no, when you go for encryption, no, what didn't kind? Who can go on chas here? Sana Bible here. Bible no, it's meant for destination, the source and the destination. And in Deuteronomy chapter 22, or say Oba and Sheberi Madie. Or Beriman so in fair Bantuma. Now, Oman we win a Yakupo Chwadie. So what see as we say ya? Obaga say, Ayana, as of when we say trousers. Me no, me ditu, me no yet. But Oba and Sheberi Madie no, and you're writing and they were. But what is inside the writing? I want to ask for a call. Oh man, what is inside the writing? Inside the bishop, what was a kusia? Yes, it be the yoke, a shame, white, kusia no, and I had a yoke no share, idea white kusiano, a son of own. So what I say, it's no kind of bar and Sheberi Madie or Berima in Frau Bantuma. Now, all my way, and I could put you King James version I'm making. Now I can say, Oba, a deben a year Obama dear, Bible saying, and you need to network. Also, look for trousers, what see trousers or bash trousers, or become with them, then be also phobia, or say, or baby Akuntum, or kind Leviticus chapter 19, verse 27, or say, Mamun Kuntum Mumi, and to Obana also Banaye, so the baby a new academy home, and to Obana back here, and also back hell. Or the madden would Bible with me, Mr. Osofwe, I am a Musima. Sal, line out kind of Leviticus chapter 19, verse 27, Oba and Mamu Kuntumuniano. I actually want a honor or see me knew about you say. Or say, you should not mar your bid. Would you one child also for what you about you say? I don't know also for what you about you say. Now catch your Oba, why you need me the star say, Obeko hell, no him. Mr. Also for hold one, oh kind, no way, baby. Now, would the Bible no as soon. Mrana edema is that for no yenti mi so enti man kote baabi so we osofo a oni osolema no enkote baabi ya sole de ye mie ye tiri so wo osofo a we abodwe se e dra ka che oba se ma onye dan ma onyi ni tiri so wo we abodwe se wo no we abodwe se wo osofo ka wo friends asawa Leviticus chapter 19 verse 19 o se ma mo friends asawa wo wata de no e sasa wata de o se oba ayele e she tro de obeko hell sada ma de judge wo osofo na wo se oba na konto no nwi no the same verse no o se enyu abodwe se wo so you abodwe se There was so far, knew about you say. There was so far, knew about you say. Because Bible say you should not mind your bid. Open the order, Leviticus chapter 19, verse 27. I don't know your Bible so I need to style whatever. I mean, I don't have a problem. What the contents of hell, and I also you about yourself. Also make hell. If you're ready to face some pastors now, almost the persona. Many anyame. Deuteronomy chapter 22, also oba and she very mad or berima in front of Bantuma. Now, omo ye win and Yakupo Chwadi. I'll say no yatro. I'm say, okay, Hebrew Casa and yatra but Trimu and our English. Fine. So here Bible, the woman, young care. I did your body. Open network, I Genesis chapter 1. Then come away. Genesis chapter 1, I think verse 27. Okay. Now, you should be Bible. Wait, you have the Bible networking. So you network and you do connection. You network and you connect. Genesis chapter 1, verse number, I think 26. Or see. Now, Onyankopon can say, Mama yenye onipa wo Yesu banso. Say yenseso tio Deuteronomy chapter 22 verse 5 and am networking say about trousers or ban tie obehu de ye oba dia the Bible can and obehu ne the Bible can and obehu ne say trousers are no offer say the make us no offer me make bibia obi anfa the make no on to say obe digest the make no enfa say be wo brain anya me na me che onyansa wo de onyansa mbaye ade be make bia no enje say no kre but digest what you know. So what I just say, Papa, no, some also for pa, they be the American, and you say, Utugu, not for 90 years old. The woman of a no offer, then to also. Now, when you go on, can say, Mama Yen Onipa, where you suban to say and so. Now, only a pumpata, a Riamunoma, and Totibua, Nimwa, or we are Assassinina, Tio. Now, when you go on Bo, Onipa, when you subanso. Okay. When you go on Sumansona or Bono, or Berima, no bar, over Genesis chapter 1. Yakubo bo oberima ni oba tie or Deuteronomy chapter 22 verse 5 I say oba and show oberima de oberima so emfa oba ntoma tie ni na onyankopon so maso na obo no oberima ani oba wa mo oba ni oba tie ni o wa mo oberima ni oberima ade be na ye oba de Bible say man hye o say trousers okay then to also Genesis chapter 1 verse I think 20 the medu ho na onyankopon hira won Oyakupon shida oba ne bema tieniye Oyakupon shida oba ne bema okay na oka kire won se mongo wanka se oba ne oba ngo o se obema ne oba no se omongo otase o se oba ne bema no omongo yento so na mo no na monye asase so ma na o e plural mo nye asase so ma okay na mo nya so tumi na mo Wangasa obemba side we say Yakupo ye no e ho na meje Bible di ye Bible di me I mean I don't go to church Bible ye beduane Yakupo ye smart among for Efre Genesis chapter 1 verse 26 says a contradiction with Genesis chapter 2 verse 7 and verse 21 down because Genesis chapter 1 no Yakupo bo e appear say Yakupo bo ba ne bema at the same time but Genesis chapter 2 Genesis chapter because we ya semo almost say ha oko mamento me bokakra okay oko Genesis chapter 2 Yankopon Genesis chapter 2 verse 7 no Yankopon bo obe manifest but Yankopon ya dey bo Genesis chapter 1 eya na enipa na almost say a contradiction no omo dream maso hwo or see verse Genesis chapter 1 verse 27 no or see Onyankopon suma so na obo nipa obalima ne oba na obo won na Onyankopon hira won verse 28 o se na Onyankopon hira won na o ka kire won se mongo na mo no na monye asase soma na mo enya sutumi o de tumi na ma oba ne bema etino se Onyankopon de Adam ne ba first a na go say Adam nya asase sutumi eposo enema na me da hye won sa anka ma be ye mo bo rough yo country bi ho ye ma ntwika Yakupo is smart. Yakupo nim onipa onim ye ahead ntino. Odi kama no appear say wa pop ba ne bema. E no di ni tumi no e ma wom. Enti say oba ekowe fisher. Oni ayi ekwan bia say oba ko bema ho. Mi wura bema e. Mi be say be kowe fish enti ma me tumi. Ha Yakupo ye wild. Hey, wisdom no enti no ɔde tumi ne ɛpo mpata ewiem no ma ɔde ama ɔmienu enti ɔbɛma enni Nyankopɔn abɔde so tumi ɛnsen ɔbaa tiniye sɛ ɔbaa ekotwa bɔde ekodi a enka ɔbɛkɔ bɛma hɔ because tumi no yɛde ma bɛma sɛ ka ɛyɛ sɛ na yɛbɔ Adam first na Nyankopɔn de tumi ne ma na Bible no yɛkyerɛm yɛkyerɛ Bible no akyerɛw yɛbɔ Adam first na Nyankopɔn de tumi ne ma na aka mɛma bɔ rough sɛ na mɛma bɛdi mani no ba Nyankopɔn in his own wisdom no ɔma no appear sɛ wabɔ ɔmienu first ɛna ɔde tumi no ɛma wɔn nti yɛn to so verse 28 na Nyankopɔn hyira wɔn ɔhyira wɔn mienu wɔn hyira Adam first ɛso yɛbɔ Adam first bisa ho sɛ adentin Nyankopɔn kwa ɔbɔ Adam first no wɔn kasa sɛ wɔsi anti Adam nko a ɛhɔ na ohun sɛ Nyankopɔn Bible no ɛnyɛ fake book ɛyɛ wisdom book saa Bible mi kan about 5,000 years ago wɔn na wɔn nyansa ɔbɛtwa saa deɛ wɔ sɛ that time na nimdeɛ po wɔ hefa na nyansa wɔ hefa wɔn nu sɛ ɛyɛ onyame bi na asɛm na ɛɛba saa sɛ wɔsi na yɛatwerɛ wɔn sɛ ɛyɛ onyame even if you don't believe God there is God I don't go to church but there is God o sɛ meka asɛm na wɔn sɛ asɛm no efiri onyame bi hɔ na ɛɛba enyame onyame because ɔsɛ na Onyankopɔn hyira wɔn na ɔka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ mongo na monnɔ na monyɛ asase so ma na monya tumi yɛ dan power nti ɔbaa no ɛkyɛ obi ɔsɛ na monni ɛpo mu mpataa nti sɛ ɛyi no ɔbaa no ohia tumi biara from Adam nkyɛn so pɛ sɛ odi apataa ɛdɛ bɛ na yɛ ɔbaa dea ɛdɛ bɛ na yɛ bɛrima dea wɔn yɛn hwɛ ɔsɛ na munni ɛpo mu mpataa ne ewiem no ma ne mmoa a wɔwɔ asase so nyinaa I see so sɛ ɛyi no ɔbaa ne fɛ ne sɛ if ana ɔbɛwi akranteɛ a ohia power of attorney anase bibia from Adam nkyɛn ɔwɔ tumi sɛ otumi ku akranteɛ di ɔbɛwi odwan a because ɔwɔ tumi bisa ho sɛ Adam tɛ na yɛbɔ Adam first na yɛde tumi no yɛmfa tumi wei no anhyɛ Adam nsa anka mma bɛyɛ mɔ bɔ rough bɛnyakopɔn nyansa dɔlɛ no dodo verse 29 ɔsi na Nyankopɔn ka sɛ hwɛ mede mfudi a ɛwɔ asase ɛne nyinaa ne nuaba nyinaa mama mo sɛ ɛnyɛ mo aduane ɔsi mama mo sɛ mo ɛyɛ pro a wɔyɛ teaching yɛ no ɛyɛ pro ɛti Adam ne wɔyɛ no yɛde ama wɔn mmienu ɛti Adam timi nsisi ɔbaa no da ɛwɔ aduane Nyankopɔn abɔdeɛ so aha na nyansa wɔ aha na Nyankopɔn nyansa no ɛwɔ woyɛ bɛrima wotimi sisi ɔbaa yɛsɛ brɛ ho asɛ megye tom ba abɔdeɛ no ɛde bi na Deuteronomy chapter 22 ɛka ɔse Deuteronomy chapter 22 verse 5 ɔse ɔbaa ɛnhyɛ barima deɛ ɔbarima ɛmfrɛ ɔbaa ntoma mɛdi kan ka Nyankopɔn bɔ ɔbaa ne bɛrima wɔamma ɔbaa ne ɔbaa wɔamma bɛrima ne bɛrima enti yɛnkɔ chapter 2 no na yɛnkɔhwɛ sɛ Nyankopɔn ɛbɔ Adam na abɛka sɛ ade na ɔbɔ Adam no wɔamfa tumi no ama no na yɛnhwɛ adeɛ Genesis chapter 2 verse 7 ɔse na Awurade Nyankopɔn de ɛfam dɔteɛ nwini onipa na ohu nkwa home gu ne hwene mu saa tam ne yɛ mɔ ɔbaa no but okay Genesis chapter 1 ɛnso yɛabɔ ɔbaa no ama yɛde tumi ahyɛ ne nsa ɛnka ɔbɔ Adam wɔ verse 7 Genesis chapter 2 verse 7 ho no ɛho na ɛsɛ sɛ nka Adam de tumi no nyinaa but God is God. I mean I don't go to church I don't go to church but I believe the word. This is the word. I believe the Bible. Hey, Bible me the code. Bible na me the code. Ma wonko ye black hakada. Okay, Proverbs are now we code. Master Jai, a call rough. Bible a code, a code. And yes, I code John who preach that be a code. As of no, we the back as of attack coding school. On back ye cryptography. As of one. What the kind? Oh yeah, better Bible say rough. Yan twaso. Now when you go the form dot here and you know the na ohu kwa honhom gu ne mu na onipa be okra tiasefo they say yabo Adam no to me ya hom egu ne mu ya fa bi be hye ne nsa but verse 1 no won say as a man say contradiction any contradiction yan ko verse 21 Genesis chapter 2 verse 21 oba enhye barima de ai wo Deuteronomy no networking oba networking woni Bible network a must forget yan to so now say or say na Awurade Nyankopɔn ma na hoto nipa so first operation and so your Bible mu menya doctor but ye nyina ya te say na doctors ayi operation no similar things happen in Bible mu e Genesis chapter 2 verse number 21 first operation Nyankopɔn perform ye yes be dey ya apply abi anesthesia bi ma as na hoto eto so na ye operation person Nyankopɔn ye no Look at this book 5,000 years ago. You see the doctors ayo operation. You see boy you open no wada. You see na Yakupon ayo Adam operation. Na Onyakupon Ewurade Yakupon man na ho to nipa so. Okay? Na oyi ne fimpade. Any time the doctors ayo operation. Oh yeah, let's come to Yakupon ase momna na ye nyina ya nwimom. Isaiah ho baabi. O se momna na ye nyina ya nwen. Na bo Yakupon ohun se ye namfo. Na bo ohun se ye ne mba. Na bo ohun se ye ne nkoa. Na bo ohun se ye everything odo ye rough. O se momna na nwimom. Hwe, momma ye nyina nwimom. Said doctors, me doctor. I'm not a doctor. But say omo operation, is it me twa ona ho baabi. Na ida betale ho. Say me boa. Hwe, say na Yakupon ye operation wa ha. First, doctor for be wada. Me boa. Doctor for me say me boa. We no, I know say dey be kan yampa because me doctor. Be mate. Say I say doctor for me twa oto. O se de ho e ko tale baabi. E yampa dia e na Bible no kuro. Na ma mo ni book no agro. Person na Yakupon ye operation. When your operation Yakupon ye 5,000 years ago. Sana doctor see operation with their machines. Me boa because me boa. Hwe, o see na Ewurade Yakupon ma na ho to onipa so. Na o die. Na oyini mfimpade bu baako. Na o de nam tua anamu. We Bible teachings and Bible preaching. Bible we teach. We don't preach Bible. Bible is not a book that we preach. If you preach Bible, your church members will be lazy. If you teach Bible, your church members will be hardworking. Because your well-being on earth is not my responsibility. Your salvation is my responsibility. And business. Because I say seek first the kingdom of God and its righteousness, and all things shall be added unto you. And yamina me Yakupon na ma ade to see amount. And me Yakupon na ma ko yi mobile money amount. Or say we Ewurade ahenye ene ne tene kane jaka nyina no ono no de beka ho. Et ko Ewurade ahenye de ne tene kane. Ewurade ahenye no ene ne tene kane. Adwumaden sweat na mesom no enye easy sawo. Na mesom no eden eye sweat, eye temptation, eye how, eye kodana, eye sab enkwasasam kwa na gum na obehia. Unya na fo sa say bra mbe yisika ma wo be yisika ma me bra mbe money adwena da osofo na oyekwa na adwena da osofo na adwena ada complete wo be yisika ma me na mana kwa no say to biem inza fa kwa body yi ma na ma wo ko ye dwumaden say ye dwumaden ga na be yi asoli no religion as say Africa. Religion is the best thing, especially Christianity. When I'm catch you Christian is the best thing. But as I say, yeah, papa, I'm on saying Bible, no religion as say Africa. We are poor because of bad leaders. Bad leaders is no only a Christian for, only a Muslim for. When they teach you, when they teach us about go and work. Okay, and twaso. Or say now or the name tua anemu na Ewurade Yakupon de mpadia oyiye no free nipa no mu no ye oba na or the ne bre onipa tio. Bible say Deuteronomy chapter 22 verse 5. Ede be na ye oba dia. Mo nkyere me ye. Ade be na ye oba dia. Ede na hwe enti empade na oyiye no o say o de ye ade bi. O de ye ade bi. O ye oba no wan fana nkoma oba. Wan fana nkoma o de ne bre bema. Bible network ni ye no. O say na o de no bre onipa. Na onipa no kan say afei tie ade ye obadia ade ye bema dia o se afei me nompe mu nompe ne me hunam nie enye trousers asem na ye ka wa ha enye trousers asem na ye ka wa ha odipa ka asem bi o se afei me nompe mu nompe ne me hunam nie oyi na wo be friend oba efri se obalima mu na oyi no free ye se wa hwade Deuteronomy chapter 22 verse 5 enye trousers asem na ye ka wa ha ade ya kan emodu ade ya kan no aye Deuteronomy chapter 22 verse 5 no say oba na she barima de obarima enfre oba ntoma omo ye we no Yakupon chiwade tie abominable unto the Lord thy God aso me kai ede mpa na wodwen a woti wase oyi mfipade ade ye oba na ode ne bre no o say ofini mu Bible say Deuteronomy chapter 22 verse 5 say o de griptia the corruption na make no o say oba enware oba tie ni ye enye trollers oba don't marry oba na gayism and lesbianism when the Bible can was about Deuteronomy chapter 22 o say trollers say trollers afa mejitum menye wachini but gayism and lesbianism and a Bible a kind of parable in the form of encryption. So to me the cryptia, the obetias and say, Oba man for Yokuba and Wareno. Obama in Frau Bantuma. I didn't see that in for Bantuma and to my mad into my wedding. Bible a Casababu and mad into my and to my protection. Only two Omoba, only Gary. Ghana has a we are Bible Ghana Ghana and Bible Ghana or Kama Ghana for because Ghana is soon to my power. Was it Bema? Seen you Bema in Fra or Bantuma and Tuma at the end. What was it? My man started or say Oba and share Oberi Madie. You said, oh, no canon Oba and Sheberi Madie. Oberima in Fra or Bantuma. Also, you saw word and Tuma. Yeah, then tomorrow then. And to mama protection and to my home wine and to my home bema and do your bema and what don't you bema in the form of decryption Bible because bema don't pay and for you bema and what because bema a oba protection 10 yay I don't think I'm making sense. I don't know maybe bema submit to me to now bema offer me na worry me one family ntuma and a wufra sada Bible kan because the protection be me no I know den me ya ntuma I am close to my wife me ya ntuma a ofra e just we bema na be family na worry me one family ntuma and a wufra yay Bible de okan nyina no anya trousers asem na oka na Bible no count ewo am say apamfo baby say Paul actually say oba ma wo dress ho nti anya Jesus and say executive suit to be a say bank managers bi a share the ko adwuma no na Bible ka ho asem ho there all can is beyond trousers yay it's beyond trousers mun man share Bible na nya wa share trousers obeko hell wo you about you say wo ka to be say wa share trousers obeko hell also for we wo you about you say also for bi ho say obanya ne mesisa mo mana sorry also for won so no oyire die won so spams buy also ko gina altar nim yay Leviticus chapter I think 15 ho o kan e ba no de na no de mia ma no no ma jama ma no wo ya spams o ho aba se Bible kwa bo say se me o no oyire da na o ho senfi na me betra ho bia me ho agufi how will I know say wo no oyire die eno ntina oba no baji ye free so we are under the grace of the Lord Jesus. The Bible can was Deuteronomy chapter 22 verse 5 and say oba men worry oba obema so men worry bema gayism and lesbianism and the Bible can was so one network here adia eye obema dia ye ba ko kese pa na ye oba adia ye bema dia aye oba adia ye oba dia aye bema adia eye obadia eye bema and Deuteronomy chapter 22 verse 5 no enye trousers na Bible kan ho asem it is not trousers and now we should trousers abeko hell we should trousers abeko hell we should we are hwe Bible ndo kan yan say oba ma wo dress ho nti there were countries bi ho o mo dress in traditional dress na trousers e be ma no hwe uko Scotland o mo friend to ma and o beko hell and na mo ma e ma ho ntom Bible say Deuteronomy chapter 22 no say o decryptia o say oba men ware oba Bema nso no bema on say enfra obantuma entuma no eye wo bema no uma oba protection upa bi say awarefo say ka on ma on protection enti no oba bia no ne kun ye ne ntuma aso for kwa adan kwa na yam motete masa oba me say meyire ntuma say wo fa me wo ye bema na ware me a wo fa meyire ntuma na wo fra is abominable unto the Lord thy God that the Bible can enye trousers was my Bible can say oba also for say oba kontu nini Leviticus chapter 19 verse 27 oba kontu nini sa also for you about you say the same line no ja ho na odi mia oba yey o fa me ware me o ye ben man o ware me a wa fa me yire ntuma na wo fra Deuteronomy chapter 22 verse 5 no say the Bible can enye trousers because sa we also for na fire service ni ba fo atwede no o she skirt no fo so a wo osofo no wo na obehwe na se first the skirt no wo pede otia na se na obehwe first as na wo hweja no a okodum no trousers gives protection there was stretch dress bi no I know there And you know about you make a wasam. I wish our bar, na you said wadaja, nim, na you will talk. I don't know a man on me smart no. Almost t-shirts, tin, na akataso. And the way a bemana would when you call penwa, both a pim t-shirt no. Now so washing the jeans. While both of beds. A map jeans no. A potency a mampo from rape. Opa be say ma trousers a save one. Na be say a ma skirt ama ya rape one. Jeans no a map protection from rape. Me say your ma trousers a save one. Na say wo your sofo. Na say wo ba fi kromba. No ka tell say man bia wo ace. Anka o rape no. Na trousers and a save na anka beto hallelujah. Obo bet no when timi ante and a save na ka beto leave women alone. Eh na ko Bible yen kwaso say kan Bible pa. Enye trousers was in the Bible no ka. Ka say oba menware oba bema uye oba ntuma enti obema kwadunto enkofra oba ntuma lesbianism gayism and the Bible no eka ho asem sana Deuteronomy chapter 2 mementi ase no me decryption version Bible no o ka say o decryptia offer in the beginning God created heaven and the earth no obetwon be say book because a banner. Everything written in the Bible is banner. So Oma commentary on I run knowledge. Or say enema Yesu mpo. Yesu Kristo ajenkwa no. Owu sorry no. Yes say kase ye tro enkenko wiase. Tie o. New Testament nka ho. Old Testament nka ho. Enka ho Yesu nkwa de no. Yesu nkwa de na obeye no. Yes say kase ye tro a enko wiase. And the Bible no eye banner. And the Bible kase Deuteronomy chapter 22 oba enhye barima de. Obarima infra obantuma. Na ọmọ mu yewe no enyakupo twiwade a Bible say oba enware oba se na open no fa no na bema nso no enware bema. It is beyond trousers because your country Nigeria ko ebi fra entoma oko Scotland oko India your ba o matata den complete trousers from birth from creation so why do you sit in Ghana and say masolema about trouser hey oba washing the jeans papa be boss bet is saved from rape the me buy no mesam babiem na ma be kire encryption in the Bible and decryption but lastly remember if the Ghana banks ever rise pam aban pass law mobile money uko year I didn't say we issue ID card banking system will also rise. No man, fraud be bafem kra because sabe hwe sana Ghana for etiena fraud no o ka say we apply obenya Ghana for too much say my Ghana card am Ghana for nyina I'm challenging this government say omo pass the law na mobile money yen use ID card adia eye test ema government ni say Ghana ID card obia obidia there must be a law mobile money operators no ombe yusu eda yisika banking system ho beto no aban no so a ye bo tusu da bia no so ho beto it's a fact say Ghana card ya wie say yegusu ye o ya starting passing law and parliament no mun debate say mobile money obo hu say sa na omo chebe mobile operators na omo nyam ho say twom omba na obo we made this profit unim fraud for yeah for do kompa omo ka say man once dimbu they will see everything. They won't even give 1 cedi. And we made this profit. No one can all the kind of kakra. No magic. No more the year the pay. But unya bembe bebuao. You won't get a government that will support you to pass a law. That will nail them. That will push them to provide security. You won't get any government. Koto abanama me. You better campaign. Udo bohu. Koto mame. Na me abembe beba na obe abeto man. Me am political. Abembe beba no de bra beba say mobile money. Who work with you sika. Ube issue ID card. I will vote for you. Now, who say crime? Ebe kofem. The friend Kweku of being crime. I am ethical hacker, a researcher of the Bible. I don't go to church. I'm still looking for a church that will give me salvation. Me didn't know Kweku of being crime. I am ethical hacker, Bible researcher. I don't go to church. I'm looking for a church that will give me salvation. I don't need to be somebody like after this, No people who will say, "Oh, you're a man of God." Let's do that. Could be about. I need salvation. I don't need a pastor. That will make me rich. If the government, Mr. President, on my knees. Mr. Foleta, Finance Minister. Some Ghana card, I'm a Ghana for sika mo de year Ghana card no. Or pay dollars no. Sesana tedia, I am say, Obia anya Ghana card, and Obia benya Ghana card. I say, your ID card, your driver's license, voters ID, and I find saying Ghana card no, and calling na baby. Obi be sika, mobile money, and they say, oh, issue ID card. No ID card, no mobile money. Now, here's a banking system, no, and right here now, Mr. President, I'm challenging you. Send a young boy with Trisono, who good bank, mobile money, good bank, class in the you know, or more, say, on performing you, so on perform you, hold me, many banker. Mobile money is killing banking system. Obian can make me the way cattle, my kind of first, my can buy money anyway, me the way I want, me a cyber security expert, monsieur they can craft fine. Mobile money business is killing banking system. Mr. President, I'm nobody. But I can't one trap because nobody cares. But if you care, you are in the banking field. You are good. Mobile money. The next 5, 10, 20 years, banking will collapse in Ghana because operators, you know, and fa adebia ebema enipa, and so excuse you. Obi will be full. Why are you not showing ID card, Mr. President? Mr. President, yay! I'm challenging you. I'm very serious. I'm challenging you. Say also why I got a card, I'm gonna for my issue ID card for mobile money transaction. Mobile money transaction, we need ID card. If not, then they should just stop them. Banking will rise. Mobile money no go bank. Mobile money me yabi. Say we me yabi. Na me yabi. Na office. Now what can I feel say o SIM card no ayira. I will container o you me nyawa bonten my container man bibia wom o say ayira. Obe frɛ o operator no na eji sika nyina. SIM card no o say ayira me hu. When they yi sika no. Me sika get it to 5,000. When they yi Mr. President, I'm challenging you. There be a beka adon entoa. Ento me no na meka. Afi de atome. Me so me nimfodo say if say our team no you rise it. I hear our man no enye ye. Say our team if we rise. Mr. President, if hackers rise in this country, they can shut Kolebu down. Traffic lights, they can shut it down. Power grid, they can shut it down. Cyber warfare. The president, ma when ko hackers in who hacking system no when ko they are coming to your country oh. You can't tell you. Now I was demonstrating everyone saying Linus tools for idea. Omu jam me my laptop because my use VPN. And my IP address no, they jam it. Mr. President, we want best for Ghana. We love our country. Mr. President, take us serious. I don't need you to employ me. I need to employ someone. I need you to just pass a law that will protect me, Mr. President. Pass a law that will protect me, my business. No be me free office ma mo be me say me sika me dey aduma no. Ni nyina akọ. SIM card no phone no da ho phone anyira. SIM card na yira. And obi afa no oyi me sika. Now network na eye won no okọ a say they don't even care. What kind of service is this? God damn it. Mr. President, we all love you. Oh. We all love our country. Oh. So what's why your ID card? Not banking egu no. Mobile money operators no. Mobile money transaction biano. ID card must be issued. From now. Any man candidate say Mr. Mahama ba. Look at him say what's my okay? Say kwasa 70 but yan secretary bi I will vote for Mr. Mahama. Oh yes, of course. Say nana do guys obey I will vote for anyone obey bia obey take cyber security of this nation. Obey my police for bomb. Me all I need, I don't need a job from the president. I need security to protect the citizens. I will vote for you. Oh man. But that was it. You must say I go mo show bia asundwen ka obia. Amen. Bye bye.